Look at this new 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 3500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the tailgate locking, remote vehicle starter system, seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, driver and front passenger manual reclining, defogger, rear window electric, emissions, federal requirements, GVWR, 11,500 pounds, 5216 kilograms, with single rear wheels, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, pedals, power adjustable for accelerator and brake, engine block heater, engine, Duramax 6.6L turbo diesel, B20 diesel compatible, interior plus package, convenience package, tailgate, S-lift, fog lamps, front, halogen, battery, heavy-duty dual 730 cold cranking amps, maintenance-free, rear parking assist, ultrasonic, Bluetooth for phone and the LPO, all-weather floor mats. Call 888-430-8589 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.